The for-each structure in VBA is used to iterate over all the elements of a collection where an O or an A is. It is especially useful to go through all the items in a collection without the need to use the index counter, making the code more readable and less prone to error.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
I will select and come to Visual Basic. I will open a new sub, example sub 04, and here I will apply my variables. For each sin range, selection. I want to do the selection because I selected the data there. Selection c.value equal to I and equal to I plus 1. Next, okay? Now I will run the sub. I will come here, just decrease a little, and I will run the sub. Let's. See, what was the error? Here I did not define. Let me see which variable I ended up forgetting. Sin range, I equal to 1. For each sin range, selection C value equal to I and equal to I plus 1. Next. Let's see what was the error. Undefined variable. Let me come down here. Why is it giving undefined variable? Let's analyze. Sin range, I equal to 1. For each sin range, selection C value equal to I and equal to I plus 1. Next. Let's see if it will read now. Now it worked. I had not defined the variable I. Okay? Now it has identified. Now I will select this other data here. Visual Basic, and I will apply. It has already filled. Now what I can do is put, for example, insert here a button. Right-click. I will increase the letter. I will customize. Let me delete this one and delete this one. Now I will assign the macro 4. Okay, now I will select this data interval and click. It will fill. I selected this interval. It filled. I selected this interval. It filled. So automatically with the for each function.